New UP Congress MP fires shocker. Casteism in Congress raised by Sitapur MP. Rakesh Rathore writes to Mallikarjun Kharge. As Rahul Gandhi calls for Nyay and caste census. Shocking allegations add to Congress troubles. UP Congress chief adds to embarrassment. Elected MP accuses colleague of casteism. Ajay Rai terms it a small incident. Was Rakesh Rathore pushed and humiliated? Most backward caste MP's emotional letter. In letter shot to Congress President. Sitapur MP demands action. Blow to Congress's social justice agenda image. In a big embarrassment for the Congress, shocking allegations were made in a letter to Mallikarjun Kharge. Newly elected Sitapur MP Rakesh Rathore wrote to party chief Kharge, accusing party colleague Sanjay Dikshit of casteism. Sitapur MP alleged that he was pushed and humiliated on 6 July 2024 by Sanjay Dikshit, who works with the Congress War Room in Uttar Pradesh. In his letter to Kharge, Rathore claimed that he had gone to the state office with the UP President Ajay Rai, who was on his way to attend a program. At the event, Rathore said Sanjay Dikshit, who was accompanying Rai, humiliated him and prevented him from entering the venue by pushing him. In his letter to Kharge, Rathore highlighted that he comes from the most backward caste and had resigned from the BJP as an MLA due to the party's upper caste mindset. Rathore added that he joined the Congress due to the social justice agenda of the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi and AICC General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Further, in his letter Sitapur MP said that if an elected MP can face such situations, imagine what kind of behavior Dalits, other backward classes and Muslim party workers may be facing. He added that people from disadvantaged backgrounds enter politics as they want to ensure respect for their communities, but here an elected MP was being mistreated. Reacting to the allegations, UP Congress President Ajay Rai reportedly called it a small incident. He further added that he has not received any complaint and the letter has been sent to Congress chief, so it's up to him to decide. Meanwhile, Sanjay Dikshit rejected Rathore's allegations. Dikshit claimed that it was Rathore who used objectionable language. Describing the incident, Dikshit said the manager of the NGO, where they had gone for the event, was overwhelmed due to the presence of leaders with UP Congress President Ajay Rai. The Congress leader claimed the manager asked Rai to meet him in the office. Dikshit alleged that Rathore wanted to go with Rai and used very objectionable language when he stopped him.